The Earth is covered by vast, endless oceans. But beneath these waters, hidden from human eyes, lies a place more alien than the surface of Mars. A world of eternal darkness. A world where the pressure can crush steel. A world so deep that no sunlight has ever touched its floor. This is the Mariana Trench, the deepest known place on our planet. But just how deep is it? Imagine standing at the peak of Mount Everest, the tallest mountain on Earth, reaching nearly 9 kilometers into the sky. Now flip it upside down and drop it into the Mariana Trench. Even then, it wouldn't reach the bottom. At its lowest point, known as Challenger Deep, the trench plunges more than 11,000 meters, 36,000 feet, down. That's deeper than the cruising altitude of a commercial airplane. If you were to dive into this abyss, you would descend for nearly an hour before reaching the ocean floor. But what truly lies in this terrifying abyss? What creatures have adapted to survive in conditions so extreme that they seem almost alien? And what secrets remain undiscovered in this dark, uncharted world? Today, we dive deep into the mysteries of the Mariana Trench, where science, myths, and the unknown collide. To understand the sheer depth of the Mariana Trench, let's compare it to familiar landmarks. Mount Everest, the highest peak on Earth, stands at 8,848 meters. If you dropped it into the trench, its peak would still be more than 2 kilometers below the ocean's surface. Even commercial airplanes, which fly at around 10,000 meters, would struggle to escape the crushing depths of this abyss. This trench is a world unto itself, one of the most extreme environments found anywhere on Earth. For centuries, the depths of the Mariana Trench remained unexplored, an uncharted world of mystery. But in 1960, two men changed that forever. Swiss scientist Jacques Piccard and Navy Lieutenant Don Walsh descended into the darkness aboard the Bathyscaphe Trieste, a specially designed deep-sea submersible. As they sank deeper and deeper, the outside pressure increased to over 1,000 times what we experience at sea level. It was an environment that no human had ever survived in before. After nearly 5 hours, they finally reached Challenger Deep. But to their amazement, they saw something unexpected, a flatfish-like creature swimming at the bottom, proving that even in these extreme conditions, life finds a way. More than 50 years later, in 2012, filmmaker James Cameron made history by becoming the first person to dive solo into the trench, reaching depths where no one had gone before. The conditions in the Mariana Trench are beyond extreme: freezing cold, pitch-black darkness, and pressures that could crush a submarine. Yet, somehow, life thrives here. Meet the xenophyophores, single-celled organisms that grow as large as a human hand, surviving in one of the harshest places on Earth. Then there's the snailfish, the deepest dwelling fish ever discovered, with a translucent, jelly-like body adapted to withstand crushing pressure. And let's not forget the amphipods, tiny crustaceans that survive in complete darkness, scavenging for organic matter that falls from the ocean above. But these are only the creatures we have discovered. What else lurks in the unexplored depths? What other creatures could be hiding in the abyss, waiting to be discovered? Some scientists believe there may be giant, undiscovered sea creatures lurking in the darkness, with adaptations so bizarre they would seem almost otherworldly. And even NASA is interested in the Mariana Trench. Why? Because its deep-sea conditions are similar to those found on Europa and Enceladus, moons of Jupiter and Saturn that could host alien life. Could studying the trench give us clues about what might exist beyond Earth? Despite being one of the most remote places on Earth, the Mariana Trench has already felt the impact of human pollution. Scientists have found plastic bags and toxic chemicals at the bottom of the trench, proof that no place on Earth is untouched by human waste. Even the deep-sea creatures here contain microplastics in their bodies. If pollution has reached the deepest point of the ocean, what does that say about the future of our planet? So, what do we truly know about the Mariana Trench? It is a place of eternal darkness, where creatures have evolved in ways we can barely imagine. It is a world of scientific discovery, offering clues about life in the most extreme environments. And it is a reminder of our impact, as even here, pollution has found its way. But there is still so much left to explore. Could there be undiscovered giant creatures lurking in the depths? Could this trench hold secrets about alien life on other planets? The Mariana Trench is the last great frontier of the deep. And its mysteries are far from over. What do you think still lies hidden in the abyss? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing videos.